Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about counting. Now, with counting things is basically going up and down a number line. Now, let's have our number line here. Now, when you're counting, you don't know it, but you're basically performing operations. And, I'll explore these operations later, but I can give a brief introduction to them in this video. Now, let's say, for example, I have these marbles. And I wanted to count how many of these there were. Well, when we start counting, we always start from this position, 0. Because if you start from 0, you're assuming you have nothing, and you just start from there. So, what we do is we're basically counting 1 over and over again. Basically, when you look here, you see these blue marbles, and you want to count how many there are. Well, you see this, so you know that there's 1. So you go up 1 spot in the number line. So now we're at 1. We have 1 blue marble, but we have more to count. So we know that there's another 1, so let's go up another spot on the number line. So now we're at 2. But at 2, we know that we even have still more. We have more here. So we go up again. We go to 3. Then we go to 4. Then we go to 5. Now we've counted all that's here. So we know that we have 5 marbles. Because basically all counting is, because we work in base 10, you basically just count up by ones. So you don't really know it, but when you're counting, you're just adding 1 over and over again. Probably a lot of you just saw this and you saw 5, but what did you probably do mentally? You saw you had 1 here, and you just kept on adding 1 until there were no more left. So, and this is basically the operation you were doing. You were basically adding. You did 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. Now, or you might have done, that you saw that you had 5 here, so, and there were 1, so you might have done 1 times 5, which is equal to 5. Now, that's if you assume that it was one giant bunch. Now let's say, you had a situation where I took one of the marbles away, and you knew that you originally had 5, you were here, but now you wanted to count how many you had left. So, you basically lost 1, so you went backwards on the number line, right? So you came here, and now you're here. So now you only have 4 marbles. So you started with 5, you took away 1 marble with subtraction, you took away 1 marble, so now you have 4. So with counting, basically counting is the basis of our operations. It makes us know that that we've added or subtracted or multiplied. Even in this situation, I can even add dividing to here. Let's say, we saw we had 4 marbles here, and we knew that we had 2 people. We both wanted to split the marbles evenly with each other. So let's say that, we had 4 marbles, and we divided it into 2 equal groups. So what did we get here? Now, think about it this way. Basically, on the number line now, because we're at 4 now. We're starting at 4. Now we basically want to know how many positions do we want to go until we have a remainder of 0. And because this is a rational number, we go over once and then over again. So we have two equal parts here. So we know that these marbles can be divided into 2 equal groups of 2. And you see this here. So in the next videos, I'll probably go into more of the operations specifically. Basically, all you should get out of this video is that with our operations, we're basically just traveling over a number line. I'm probably gonna, do a video on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with, the whole numbers, and basically probably the integers, and then from there, I'll start doing fractions. Okay, see you later, guys.